Welcome to the Affordable User Guide for Autumn 2019. We are Team Trust, and on our team we have Isha, Nikitha, Arya, and Ahmir.
In this video, we will walk through user registration for donor versus recipient. Then we will go through the organization dashboard, where a donor will be able to add, verify, and join organizations. Lastly, we will go through the HUG dashboard, where a donor will be able to create, search, donate, and manage HUGs.
First, we will go through how to register a donor. We will click on Register and then fill out a username, password, and email. You will see a user alert pop up to verify your email. Click OK, and let's move on to the security questions to give the email some time to send. After filling out the security questions, let's check our email to verify our account. We will click on the link and it will tell us that our email has been successfully verified. Now let's go back to our registration. You can see two options for recipient and donor. We will go ahead and select donor and skip two-factor authentication for now. Then we will hit apply and it shows that we successfully registered. As a donor, we can represent an organization and also see the organization dashboard.
Next, we will go through how to register a recipient. We will click on Register and fill out a username, password, and email as done previously. We will now proceed with the security questions and verify our email by clicking on the link sent later. After verifying our email, let's go back to the registration. And this time we will select recipient instead of donor. Again, we will skip two-factor authentication. We will hit apply and it shows that we have successfully registered. As you can see, the sidebar options for a recipient are different than that of a donor.
Now let's go through how to add an organization. We will fill out the organization's basic information. Not all of the form fields are required. As you can see, we will omit the fax number. Our organization does provide health services, so we can specify the type of service. If we want, we can add banking information, but we will skip that for now. After we submit, we're going to check our email for a confirmation that we got our organization added.
We will now go through how to verify an organization. We will fill out the information in the form exactly as provided with the IRS. We will fill out details including organization name, address, EIN, tax section, and IRS activity code. After we hit submit, we receive an alert that our organization has been successfully verified. There is now a second step available in the verification process. We will now check our email for confirmation that our organization has been successfully verified. We can now select our organization from the Representing dropdown. By selecting a verified organization, we now have access to the HUG dashboard as shown in the sidebar.
Next, we'll go through how to join an organization as a member. We can search for charities registered with Affordable and join a specific one from the search results. After we select a charity and submit, we see an alert that we have successfully joined an organization. Now, if we scroll down, we can see the Join Groups under the Affiliations tab.
Let's now select a verified organization and go through how to create a hug. Hug purpose is the first of 4 parts, which includes basic hug details. Any associated diagnosis or prescription can be selected from an auto-suggested list. Hug eligibility is the second part, which includes various criteria for selecting recipients. Hug information is the third part, which includes specifying a recipient as well as required recipient documentation and medical information. The final part is hug fundraising, which contains details about the deadline, funding per person, and hug distribution. The banking information is not required as of now, and we will skip through it. After hitting submit, we get both an alert and an email notification that our hug has been successfully created with Affordable.
Let's now go through hug search. Let's hit the search button to view all of the existing hugs. If we want our search to be more specific, we can apply these filters. Let's select lifestyle to be the hug category and hit apply filters. Now we can see all of the hugs with hug category as lifestyle.
We will now go through Hug Donate and Hug Manage. Let's click Donate, and we will see a pop-up with progress of hug funding. We can donate to a hug multiple times and watch the progress bar update accordingly. Let's donate again. After reaching the funding goal, we will get an alert. We will also receive an email notification that our hug funding goal has been met. As a donor admin for an organization, you can manage the hugs that you created. You can monitor the funding status of your hugs as well as the number of people that donated.